Are you tired of looking at outdated baseboard heaters in your home, but not sure if Veil Baseboard Covers will fit? We are compatible with most hydronic hot water baseboard heaters, but to be 100% sure, you just need to take these 3 simple measurements. First, measure from floor to the top of the existing backplate. The ideal height is 7.5 inches, so that the gap at the floor is minimized. For heights greater than 9.5 inches, we offer the Atlas Extra Large cover, which is designed specifically for taller heaters. Second, measure from the bottom of the heating element to the top of the existing backplate. You should have a height of less than 6.75 inches. Third, measure from the backplate to the front of the heating element. It should be less than 3 inches for all covers. If your cover has a depth greater than 3 inches, then reach out for our Adjusting for Depth guide and order with confidence. If each of the measurements lined up, Veil baseboards are a fit. So whether you have a standard baseboard heater or a taller one, Veil Baseboard Covers have you covered. You can update your home with a modern, sleek look. Visit our website today and start your home upgrade.